Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen T Cross Style 1.0 TSI M in sleek black. This dynamic estate-chotch Jeep is powered by a fuel-efficient 1-litre engine with a smooth manual transmission. With a registration in 2024, this vehicle is practically brand new. Enjoy top-notch features like stunning exterior styling and spacious interior. Plus, rest assured with our full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-serviced maintenance, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information and to schedule a test drive today. Drive away in style with the Volkswagen T Cross Style 1.0 TSI M.